Well, hello and welcome to a new video. This time I'm showcasing this typewriter. I couldn't find any old electronics to work on, so yeah, it's close as I got. Not technically electronics, but still pretty cool. So I'll just get this ready. I guess I'll get typing. You see, I just typed this because you might not be able to. Here, let me zoom in. I'll bring it a little closer for you. Anyways, I have typed the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. It uses every letter on this. Good way to test it. And this thing's doing great. So, in that case, it's nice. Got a fresh ink ribbon on there. And I can switch it to red ink if I want to. So I can just switch between colors all I want. It's pretty nice. But yeah, I'll just type in red ink. Quick brown fox jump. Yeah, let me fix that. Anyways, where was I? The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Let me angle it up for you. Anyways, yep. It's made it. Also, you can't. There is no key for the number 1. So, if you want to type the number 1, you do a lowercase I. See? Looks like a 1, doesn't it? Anyway, you also get shift lock. So, if I want to, that is all uppercase. And that's 1/2. Oh, that's better. So anyways, I could say 1/2 cup of flour. So I could write a recipe. And 1/4 cup of sugar. I mean, of course, it's not really a recipe, but I guess you get the idea. And as you would expect, all your standard symbols. Oh wait, didn't forget any. And here's a look at the ink ribbon. Well, anyways, that's it. So, Paper already said it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Or at least leave a comment. Or, I mean, you can do whatever you want. Anyways, I guess see you in the next video.